Hello everyone, welcome to this course. In this course, we will be understanding research publication, especially the review article writing process. Review articles, they are really important, and they are also important when it comes to, not do any kind of research, experimental research work. You don't have resources, but you want to still do scientific studies. Review articles provides you a lot of opportunities to do research without experimental lab. So what you can do is you can select a topic, you can write on that particular topic. There is a structured way that I'll be teaching in this particular course. I'll be telling you in this particular course. And if you follow that particular process, what is going to happen then by the end of this particular course, you are equipped enough to actually start your writing process without even requirement of anyone who is guiding you. So for example, if you're a UG student, if you're a PG student, you have no idea what publication is, what review articles are, because I will be creating separate courses on research writing process, which is completely different. Grant writing is completely different and all. But this one is very, very important because using review article, what you can do is you can compile a good literature review and you can also get it published, and you will also put your mark on that particular area. So people who write review articles quite often are considered as someone who is expert in that particular area, because you have to do a lot of research, you have to find papers and then compile it in a nice way so that other people, they can see what's going on in that particular area. So you get a lot of opportunity to identify where the gaps are, to actually put your hypothesis, analyze the data and see how the publications are happening in that particular area. So that is your review article. So in this course, I will be covering first is what are the do's and don'ts that you should be using when you are writing a review paper, and you should not be jumping here and there. There are processes that you need to follow. So that is the one thing that I want you to actually understand. Second one is, if you want to select a topic, then how you select that particular topic. And obviously we're going to use artificial intelligence also to help us, and we're going to use ethical use of artificial intelligence, because this is something we cannot ignore completely, but we cannot be using it in a way that we just copy pasting everything, and that's not good, right? So we need to set boundaries how we're going to use AI, but you can definitely select a topic, and based on your interaction with the AI, based on the literature that is available, you will end up selecting a very good topic for your review. Next is we're also going to use how to structure the review article, that what are the sections, subsections that should be there in that particular review article, that I'm going to tell you in detail. Next is how we find the literature gap and how we collect that information in an organized way so that it will help you in writing process. So that is something is really, really important that we need to understand, right? Another thing that we'll be doing is writing paragraph. So I'll be actually showing you how you can write a paragraph. What are the things that you should be writing? What are the things that you should be avoiding? Where to put references, how to put references, how to get references. All those things I'll be showing you in a structured way. So if you understand how to write one paragraph, obviously you will understand how to write other paragraph and how to complete that review paper. And believe me, if you follow the guidance that I'm providing you, follow the suggestions that I'm providing you, you will end up having a review article which is very, very high quality, and your supervisor is going to be really, really happy about this. Next is you will be using Google Scholar, PubMed. You will be using Mendeley also. This is something I highly recommend to UG/PG students, that start using tools like Mendeley, EndNote, and start adding the references, not by manually, but by using tools such as Mendeley. So that is something I want you to do. And then we'll also use some of the tools that are already available, AI-based tools, literature search tools like Consensus, like Elicit you have. There are so many amazing tools that are available. I'll show you. I'll also show you how you can create a particular table, because table is something is also required in review in this course that I'll be covering. So this course we will be providing you a lot of content that will cover your journey to complete your review article. And by the end of this particular course, you will feel confident, you will understand better, because I'm telling you with all my experience in writing process and everything that is available, I'll be trying to help you out with that. Another thing is, please do not forget to add to the WhatsApp community that we have for this particular course. There what you can do is you can directly get in touch with me, and then we can together work out, if you are working on a particular article, if there are some questions you have, we can interact and try to find out if there are any kind of solutions that you need from our side, right? Okay, so let's get started. And you already know this. This is my you have got this particular course. That means you are there in Research Goal. In Research Goal, what we provide is support for researchers. There are courses available right now. The courses are available in the area of biosciences, in the area of biology, biotechnology, microbiology. But soon we'll be providing you other courses also that will help you in your research journey. The objective is to provide you comprehensive support that you can become a better researcher. So I want you to stay in touch. I want you to actually see these courses. If you like those courses, then please buy these courses and share these courses with others also. Everything that we are providing in a very, very nominal and very, very cost effective price. So right now we have these courses. Data analysis is also there, Python is also there. There are more technical courses, but in future I'll be bringing courses like writing, grant writing, research paper writing, illustration for scientific papers. I will be writing. There are so many other things that I'm going to bring, like how to apply for postdoctoral fellowships, what are the things that you should be doing, how to prepare for interview, and all those things based on my experience. So you'll get experience directly from people who have actually gone through that particular process. So it's going to help you to become better researcher. So if you're a UG student, that is going to help you a lot. Okay, so please stay tuned and see if there are other courses that you want to have in this particular resource that we have created. I'll definitely try to help you out in creating that course and also helping out with your research problem. Okay, so let's get started and let's start our journey with your first review paper.